With practices, instructors can create interactive questions in their content pages. Students can get immediate feedback on their understanding of a specific topic outside of a formal assessment. Welcome. In this video, I will demonstrate using Creator+, insert practice elements. I will show the drop-down fill in the blanks versus fill in the blanks. While sounds similar, they are a bit different. With drop-down, students are given some choices for their answers. With fill in the blanks, they must determine what the answer is on their own. Access your module, then select the drop-down and create a file. Provide a name and then click on the icon and insert practice. Our environment allows AI-generated assistance with specific tools. The icon you see here is the Lumi Pro Assist AI generation. I will not be covering the AI portion in these, as these examples will only cover material that you input of your own creation. In the drop-down fill in the blanks, this is the setup area. I will be adding a title, description, instructions, and of course, the question. Let's check out my example. I added my title and description. Below is the instructions for students as well as the question. When building spaces for your possible answers, you must input as directed with the square brackets for each blank with the number it will correspond with. Here with square bracket 1 is where I will have my first drop down. Square bracket for option 2 and so on. On the right is student preview. Each of these will have various answers that students will have to determine which is correct. Back on the input panel, let's take a look at where you input options for drop-down 1. I have the answer, as well as some other choices. Continue for each of the drop-downs. Decide how to score, and then when finished, click Preview or Insert. If you want to add feedback for the knowledge check, you will find that up under Options. Let's now create a fill-in blank. Create your page, select the icon and insert practice. Select fill in blank. Notice the similar layout. The only difference will be instead of providing extra options for the answers, students must type out their answer. I added a title and instructions. Option 1. Here is the question and how it appears on the right to the student. Back on the left, you can see where I added the answer. I marked as regular expression. Continue building as needed. Finish with scoring, and then click Preview or Insert if you are ready. And there you have it, creating drop-down and fill in the blank with Creator+. Thanks for watching.